Okay, I'm not sure if you like the next song, but we will soon find out. It's kind of old. Hi, Kirk. Everyone say hi, Kirk.
Hi.
Glad you could make it.
Good God! Guilty as charged, but Kevin ain't alright. Someone else controlling me. Death in the air, shipped in the electric chair. Can't be happening to me. Who made you God to say I'll take your life from you? Flash before my eyes. Now it's time to die. Yeah. Can you sing it? Oh, I can feel the flame. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wait for the sign to flick the switch of death. It's the beginning of the end. Sweat chilling cold, it's how I stop the bone. Conscious is my only friend. My fingers grip with fear. What am I doing here? Flash before my eyes. Now it's time to die. Burning in my brain, I can feel the flame. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go. Someone help me. Please God help me. Trying to take it all away. I don't want to die. Are you ready? Are you ready? Hey, 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 hey. take it all away. I don't want to die. Seemed like ours, finally couldn't I see? How true is this? Just get it over with. If this is true, just let it be. Waking by horrid scream, free from this frightening dream. Flash before my eyes. Now it's time.